shooting star. Coco, you're changing.
Take me home, I wanna ride.
I have multiple personality disorder.
Damn.
I just want a couple more pickles. There's barely any on there. I just want more pickles. But pickles are my favorite. I just want more pickles. I don't understand.
Which one of them stole the watermelon? She's holding her belly with both hands, which means she's carrying something heavy. Question number 2. Find the different dog.
Dad! What is it? What's going on? I heard a noise. Is somebody downstairs?
Holy fuck, I'm coming. Holy fuck, I'm coming. Holy fuck, I'm coming. Holy fuck, I'm